everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just had to climb 6 stories worth of stairs. So if you could drop a like on this video, I'd appreciate it for the grind, for the hustle. Bring you guys these videos every day after work. Just appreciate it. Not required, but I'd appreciate it. Anyways, finishing up here on the 6th floor, up to the roof. Piped in this 3/4 right here, going up through the ceiling right here. To another card reader box, which I will show you in a minute, and then started out of this light box here at 7'6" up through the floor, and I went 7'6" to the next one. It said 9'4", but that was above the ceiling, so I just went with my own number. I forgot to ask if that was all right, so I might need to double check on that number. And then right here went from this box right there up through, where's the strap? Okay, strap's right there. So I went up through there, up to the floor again to this box right here. So I just finished these last 3 pipes with good old Nick. And here is the light again coming up through the floor right there, 7'6", and then the card reader coming up through the floor right there, and that is like 6 inches away from the door, or 4 inches, whatnot. So got her all strapped, got her all done. So that was the first part right there, and I'll show you the other 3 things that I worked on, or the other 2 things that I worked on today. So we started out here first part of the day, and then second part went downstairs. Third part went over to the old stairwell. I finished that pipe. We got the LL or whatever it was called. So probably show you that first as I walk downstairs, and then show you the last thing. So I will be right back. All right, guys, gonna give you guys a little life update. Had an awesome weekend hanging out with my friends. Also, the giveaway ended and I did that, so that was great. Thanks for everyone who participated, and just for everyone for watching the videos and the growth of the channel. I was gonna say a whole bunch of other things I just forgot. What was I gonna say? Oh, getting my wheel fixed on the Corvette, so that should be done and possibly already reinstalled. So hopefully that will be fixed. Most likely not, but the wheel at least will be fixed. And then lastly, I already forgot, but anyways, worked on this piece of pipe right here. Got that installed right there. Just barely fit in the LL, I believe that's called. So got that installed. Had to get a little helping hand to shove that in there, because I couldn't really see it on the side of the wall. So like I said before, I already had this pre-bent, just had to cut the ends off a little bit. All right, then on to the next thing that I worked on today for the day was working on rough-end mounting boxes, pulling wire through the first floor lobby. So there's some plugs, and then there's a switch leg right there for a fireplace. Still have to run power to that. And then some more plugs on the other side of the wall. And then there is the old grounding for the fire sprinkler pipe, which they took off again. So they ended up mounting making a little, I forget what they call that, but they basically built a structure around the fire sprinkler pipe to get covered, and then running some more wire over here, mounting boxes again. So running the power over here for the home runs to the little gutter here on the left here in a second that you'll see right here in the corner. So just leaving a few feet there to run the wire into there eventually, and labeling that with the circuit number, and then have to run another circuit up there from this box right here for circuit 3. So those are going there, and then circuit 3 continues through the wall over to the bathroom. And this got possibly wired wrong, so I might have to pull that wire out of the top plate and go through the holes. I'm not sure if that's complete. Counts as a support right there. But lastly, got some more boxes mounted. Took me half the drive on the way home to remember what I wanted to tell you, because I forgot. So I'm not sponsored, but I reached out to KLEIN Tools, and they said they would send me a tool to review, so I'm super excited about that. Maybe more things to come in the future. I don't know if I have to ask or whatnot, but anyways, I'm going to be doing a tool review. So they're sending me a free tool and I'm excited about that. So hopefully that'll be coming soon in the mail. And I'll probably stop by the house today because I haven't been over there probably again in 3 or 4 days. Assuming the driveway has been poured over the weekend or today. And hopefully they can get something else done, maybe electrical. Countertop should be a ways out if I didn't mention that already. Countertop should be probably at least a few weeks out because they just got the material in, unless they can cut that super fast or whatnot. But anyways, that'll wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you very much. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. See you guys back in the next one. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell only if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright guys, so here's what happened. I reached out to KLEIN Tools because they follow me on Instagram for some reason, probably because I tagged them in some of my posts, and I reached out and I said, hey, would you be willing to sponsor a giveaway for my YouTube channel? And they said, we don't sponsor videos or anything like that, but we'd be willing to send you out a tool to review. So I was like, let's go. And so that's how that happened. So I tried to hook you guys up, but it didn't work out. But still bringing you some awesome content with a tool that I've never owned before. So I'm excited to try it out and give you my thoughts. So that should do it, guys. Peace.